Hello and welcome to Tactical Arbitrage. In this video, we'll walk you through an overview of the Quick Picks page. If you're wondering what Quick Picks does, it's a fast and easy way to discover potential deals using data from the Tactical Arbitrage database. To get started, click on Quick Picks from the left sidebar menu. The first thing you'll see is the Sourcing From option. This is where you choose the country you want to source deals from. Next, you'll find the Selling On option, which lets you select the marketplace where you plan to sell your products. This setting is based on the country you selected earlier. Please note, Quick Picks only supports sourcing and selling within the same marketplace. If you'd like to explore cross-border arbitrage, be sure to check out the product search feature instead. Next to the Selling On menu, you'll find the Filter By option. Clicking it opens a pop-up window where you can add your store and Amazon filters. For example, adjusting for fees that affect your profit and ROI calculations across different marketplaces. Let's say you want to apply a 20% gross profit filter and a 100,000 sales rank filter. You can easily find and apply those filters here. Once you've set them up, click Apply to activate your filters. After your results load, you can sort them in ascending or descending order based on several criteria: gross profit, gross ROI, retailer and Amazon price, and last updated date. You'll see the Show Graph option, where you can choose to display or hide product graph information. Once your results are visible, browse through the data to identify promising deals. To see more detailed information, click More Details. Here, you'll find additional insights such as return after fees and Amazon category. If you'd like to be notified about price changes, click the bell icon to set a price alert. You can receive alerts when a retailer's price drops, the price goes below your desired threshold, or the gross profit exceeds your target. If you come across any inaccurate information, click the flag icon to report it. Once submitted, our team will review and address the issue as quickly as possible. You can also save products by clicking the heart icon to add the item to a collection. From the Collections page, you can rename folders, add notes, download spreadsheets, or delete folders. From the Quick Picks main page, you can easily switch between Quick Picks, Collections, and Alerts to manage your results. Collections holds your saved products. Alerts keeps track of items you want notifications for, whether it's a price drop or when something comes back in stock. And that concludes our overview of the Quick Picks feature in Tactical Arbitrage. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to us at support@tacticalarbitrage.com.